There is a South African and an Argentinian over this set piece for the Seagulls. It is in from McAllister, and the header is over the top from Lewis Dunk. And he will probably feel he should have been on the score sheet inside the first 5 minutes. It is Luke Garbett, the former Everton defender, who is over this Blackpool free kick. But Garbett goes for goal, and it required Walton to make the save. And a good one as well. Bissouma lining one up, lining up a brilliant goal. That is absolutely fantastic from Yves Bissouma. Nothing Maxwell or any other keeper in the world could have done to stop that. It is a belter from Bissouma. Yates, in by Garbett, and then met by Medine for Blackpool's equaliser. The player who loves scoring FA Cup goals has another one. Right on half-time, Gary Medine. The delivery by Garbett and Medine's movement and the prod of the right boot. And maybe the dream is not over for the Tangerines. And Bissouma again. And McAllister, lovely worked feet, and then a good save by Maxwell. A great shift of the body from Alexis McAllister just to create that bit of space. McAllister to Burn. It's patient from Brighton. And then McAllister lets fly, and the deflection is kind. And Brighton back in front. Another long-range effort. Nowhere near as spectacular as the one in the first half, but equally as effective. And now Brighton progressing with Trossard. Maupay all alone, stopped by Maxwell, and Maupay can't get on the follow-up either. And that would have done it for Graham Potter's team. And really, you expect Neal Maupay to be scoring opportunities like that. This is where the Tangerine FA Cup dream ends. But what a run it has been from Neil Critchley's side. And yet again, they have seriously tested a Premier League outfit. But it's finished at the Amex. Brighton 2, Blackpool 1.